Hi everyone, Mr. Janssen here. Today we begin with working on our 5-note scale. A scale is a really excellent warm-up to help prepare our tone, our air, and help to mentally prepare ourselves for an excellent rehearsal or practice routine. The 5-note scale incorporates the first 5 notes of your concert B-flat major scale. On the trombone, those notes are B-flat in first, C in 6th position, D in 4th position, E flat in 3rd position, and F in 1st position with fast air. We are going to play our 5-note scale on whole notes first. Now recall for a moment, how many beats do whole notes get? If you remembered that whole notes get 4 beats, you were correct. To help keep us playing in time, we're going to use a device called a metronome. A metronome is a device that beats tempo in a steady fashion. For example, you set it at a number called the number of BPM or beats per minute. For example, I have my metronome set at 90 BPM or beats per minute. To help you practice, there are numerous free applications that you can download that are metronome apps, or you can just Google metronome and there's an app that comes up on the Google website. To count you off, I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, breathe and play. It's important to take a nice big breath as we're going to be playing long notes. Also, remember to breathe in between each one of the notes. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. How'd you do? Take a moment to think about your playing. Here are some notes. Remind yourself to sit with really good posture. Feet flat on the floor, butt on the edge of the seat, back nice and tall, and instrument up parallel to the floor. Remember to take nice big sips of air and to blow faster air as you get higher. Take a moment also to recall your fingerings or slide positions for each note. It is imperative, meaning very important, that you play with the proper fingerings or slide positions for each note. Let's try it again. One, two, three, four, 1, 2. How'd you do? If you need more time working on your whole notes 5-note scale, feel free to either rewind the video and play again with me, or just pause the video with my face looking like this. Next, we will move on to playing our 5-note scale on half notes. Now recall, how many beats do half notes get? If you said 2 beats each, then you were correct. Half notes get 2 beats each. Now because that's a little bit faster than whole notes, we're going to adjust our BPM, or what? Beats per minute, that's correct. We're going to adjust our beats per minute down to 80 BPM, or beats per minute. You will notice that the beats per minute at 80 is much slower. We're doing this because each half note is only worth 2 beats. I will count you off the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, breathe and play. Let's try our 5-note scale on half notes. 1, 2, Now, you can notice that that is much faster than the whole notes. If you need to take a moment and slow it down, I recommend that you do so. Be sure to check and review your fingerings or slide positions as you're playing this. Let's try it one more time at 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You may also notice that you don't have to breathe as much in between all of those notes. You may be able to play 2 or 3 or even 4 notes at a time without taking a breath. Keep working on your 5-note scale, and if you get really good at it, try it on quarter notes. Recall, how many beats do quarter notes get each? That's right, 1 beat per note. Let's try it on quarter notes, and let's adjust it down to 75 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Keep working on your 5-note scale on whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes. It's a really excellent warm-up and one that will lead you to much success. Happy practicing!